For those more demanding jobs that just need to be done right, add WD-40 Specialist to your toolbox. Belt dressing anti-slip from the WD-40 Specialist range is formulated for use on all types of old and used belts to provide better grip and traction. WD-40 Specialist belt dressing is designed to penetrate the chord fibres to restore flexibility and pliability. It's effective on rib belts, on V belts and cog belts, and will eliminate slipping or squealing. Apply your belt dressing with the engine running. Shake the can well and spray the product lightly on the inner working surface of the belt near the smallest or the upmost pulley. Avoid spraying the product directly onto the pulley. And after running the engine for several minutes to set the dressing, it can be reapplied as needed, extending your belt life until the next maintenance. Enjoy extended belt life and quiet operation with belt dressing from the WD-40 Specialist range. No matter which specialised product you reach for, the decades of science behind WD-40 brand products and formulas deliver the superior performance you need.